Racing just is started. We have our Charmaine first to show quickness at the start. Running by Daryl. Gusto ko. Happy ka. Mysterious is on the outside. Boda Cream. And then on the inside comes Transfer Factor. The San Diego is on the outside. Running 3 deep. Now is Sweet Carla. While Waitara Express is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have our Charmaine by our head, moving up on the outside, Sweet Carla, then comes Misteriosa, Gusto ko, Happy ka, and on the outside now is the San Diego, Boda Cream in the middle, down on the inside is Transfer Factor, while Wild Tara Express is still racing in less, back to the leader, the lead now belongs to Misteriosa, moving up on the outside, the San Diego, our Charmaine draws back in third. Boda Cream comes next. Gusto ko, Happy ka, Transfer Factor. Then down on the inside is Waitara Express. While Sweet Carla now racing in less than they are now entering the home stretch. We have Misteriosa. This time by about 3 lengths. And in second is the San Diego. Down on the inside, Boda Cream. Waitara Express is on the outside. Last 100 meters, we have Misteriosa, this time by about 6 lengths, followed by the San Diego Waitara Express, and finally Misteriosa, the San Diego Waitara Express, Boda Cream Transfer Factor.
26341, unofficial?
Right, at yung ating forecast na 2-6,